simple pero nakaka-attract. Parang sinasabi niya sa'yo na makuha ka sa loob.
Physical.
Physical.
Okay, gaya physical na yan eh. Sa
matangkad, mabate, punchy.
Ako sigurong mapapatingin talaga ako siguro yung mga dating ni Tia Words back. Kasi siyempre, yung parang pagtingin ko lang baka mag 360 yung ulo ko pag-ikot eh. Yun.
Russell?
Actually, never had a girlfriend, so I don't really have an idea of like the physical attributes I want in a girl. Attitude, somebody who's not super maarte. I think just somebody who's kind of simple and doesn't take everything too seriously. I like somebody who likes to joke around and whatnot, but also maybe somebody who's musically inclined. I think that'd be fun too.
Sa akin naman, mistisa at saka mabait din naman. Loyal.
Paano yung mabait? Paano yung mabait? Kasi maraming ano na mabait eh.
Yung mabait, yung...
Hindi siya steady lang siya gano'n. Hindi gumagalaw. Understanding gano'n.
Marunong intindi kung ano. Mataas mo kasi.
Not too controlling and whatnot.
Yung whatnot.
Ayan, wala.
Para naman sa akin, mahilig ako sa mga babae na hindi dumidepende sa make-up. Kasi, I mean, I believe every woman is beautiful without makeup. So, yeah, I prefer a girl na walang hindi nagdidepende sa makeup, hindi maarte.